Hello, today is Tuesday, August 25th, and today in class we did our What is a Scientist drawings in our notebook. So let me explain it first and then I'll show you my picture. So here it is, Tuesday, What is a Scientist? And so for the do now, we did would you rather. Would you rather wake up early in the morning or would you rather stay up late at night? And then we wrote that in our notebooks today. And then we did this assignment. So here is the assignment on Google Classroom. It says, in your notebook, draw a picture of a regular scientist and what scientists look like. And you should draw what do they use with their hands, what do they wear, their clothes, and then you're supposed to write your sentences. What is a scientist? What does a scientist wear? What does a scientist do? Who are some famous scientists you know? And do you think you are a scientist? And why or why not? Okay, so here is the directions in Espanol. If you need it, si necesitas. And you can look over here. So what we did in class was we wrote this in our notebook, right? So here is what mine looks like. Here is the do now. I would rather blank because blank. And then here is my work. What is a scientist? So you did your drawing like this. Maybe you see what are they wearing? And then we did our sentences at the bottom. So I think a scientist is someone who does experiments. Or I think a scientist wears white coats and goggles. We said goggles were the glasses that scientists wear, right? So make sure you have your picture and your 5 sentences. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your phone and take a picture of your work and then put it on Google Classroom. So you're going to put it on Google Classroom, or you can message me on Remind. So either one. So that's what we worked on today. I really liked seeing all of your drawings. Nice job. I'll see you guys tomorrow.